Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw money from Webull. This is super useful when you want to move profits or funds to your bank account. And yeah, make sure that your bank account is verified for withdrawals. So once you open your Webull app or desktop, you will just have to log into your account. And then after logging in, you will basically just have to look for the account section. So it should be somewhere right here. And then you will just have to look for transfer and click it. And then after that, you will select withdraw and then you will choose withdraw funds. And then you will just have to select your linked bank account. And if it's not linked, you will just have to click add bank and enter your account and routing info. Verify with micro deposit if required. And then after that, you will input the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you will check available balance and click confirm. And after all that, you will just have to click submit, and then Webull will process it, and it would usually take about 1 to 3 business days. And you can check your withdrawal history to ensure that the transaction is completed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.